The micro SD card is, I believe, down here. So let's take that out. This is a SIM slot key or insertion tool or ejector. Put that in there. It should come out. It's not coming out. So I don't think the standard SIM card remover, this piece here, I don't think it's long enough. So I'm going to use a tiny paper clip. All right, let's see if this works. How do you... There it goes. Wow. It's not long enough. That was a little tricky. So the standard one didn't work. So I got a paper clip. Be careful on whatever you're using. But that seemed to get it out. As you can see, it's open now. Let me pull it out with my fingers. And there it goes. Okay. I'm going to keep it in the same way it came. Let me see how I put this in. And trying to match it up. Is this... So let me... this way. I think this is the correct way. I don't know, it's not slipping in. Let me try the other way. Yeah, this has got to be the way. Yep. All right, there it is. It fit in. Perfect. That's how it goes. Okay. And then we're going to put it back. There it goes. Slipped right in. Perfect. You see where the hole is. All right, then we'll slip it back in. See, I put it in, it's not gonna come out. It clipped in. And then put it here, right here. Remember, the hole goes towards the outer area. There it goes. And there it is. It's in. So I was upgrading my what is this? The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus with 512 of memory. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Make sure to like and subscribe.